something, Minnie?
All the way up there. Do you see anyone who could help us get up that hill?
What are you doing? I'm in my house. I'm making hot dogs. Bye. Let's go snore. Okay, good night. Stop, Leah. You keep waking me up. I'm trying to sleep. Okay, thank you. Good night, Minnie. Hey, you keep waking me up, Minnie. What? Minnie, go home. Minnie, go get your car. Minnie, go get your car. Go ahead, Lobito. Let's go to your house. Why not? Okay. Good night.
Let's go see the wizard.
Hey, stop waking me up, Minnie. Not nice. Fly now.
But okay, you can go.
No, I'm flying.
You can go snort.
No, I'm flying.
Put the wizard.
I'm
You can go snort.
Okay, good night, Minnie. Stop. I'm making hot dogs. You gonna make hot dogs with me?
No.
Why not? Hey, I
Yeah.
Good night, Minnie.
I am left.
Stop waking me up.
This the magic
You know. Oh, you said? Oh, you go snore in bed? I'm allowed to? Stop waking me up. Leah, go get Lobito. Leah, go get Lobito. Go get Lobito. Why not? Leah, you have to get Lobito. No, yeah, I won't go to sleep. Get Lobito. Please, Minnie. No, I need Lobito. No, I need Lobito. I need Lobito to snore. Leah, go get Lobito. Please. Okay, good night. Stop waking me up. Why do you keep waking me up? Welcome home? I am home.
I like that too.
I'm gonna go sleep with
Okay, you can go snore.
Snore?
And put a